this is a very slow train. I do not understand the speed restriction, but okay. So as you guys saw, there was the Ferromex Grupo Mexico fuel tender number 0013, which was a nice train, or nice fuel tender, something that they're testing out, which is really nice. And David Shelley, I believe, is on this train. I am not sure, but there are a ton of auto racks on the front, and then a whole line of intermodal. So enjoy this, and yeah, thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of the video, guys. This has been Train Lover 123 signing out for now. See you guys at the end of the video. Traffic is backed up here at the roundabout. It's Valentine's Day, and yeah, it's really not a good day for parking. I was able to find a spot on this side, but I was not expecting 105 to be going so extremely slow. But yep, here comes the last auto rack, and then it's all intermodal from here. You'll be stuck here at the intersection.
I gotta go on this side.
Oh, okay. Have a safe drive. I'm not sure if you guys can see sitting right over there, but right over there is a camper and another rail car. I believe that's called either the regulator or something. I forget. But yeah, there's two rail work vehicles over here. They're doing maintenance and they're doing repairs to the train bridge. So, yeah. This is a long train. There's the camper right there, guys. It's not very good, but there it is right there, sitting over there on the second track, on the second main, on the east main, or on the west main actually. The train 105 is currently sitting on the east main. It's currently running on the east main, and track 2 will be the west main. So there'll be a new control point, or CP crossover, right at the bridge down up ahead, going north. So, yep. I guess a couple shout outs to Auburndale Sub Productions, Arizona Rails, Train Chaser FEC, Caboose Mikey, Corzone Southern and Rails, and anybody else I can think of. I can't think of anybody else, but enjoy the video, I guess, you guys. Yeah. This is such a long... This train is not really that long, but because it's going so slow, it is long. Metro Trailer. I've never heard of that company. Interesting. There's a Triple Crown one. Nice. A former old, of course the motorcycle would be able to go through here. No problemo. Holy mackerel, this is a freaking long train. As you can see, the crossing still has mechanical bells. And, oh, the train's picking up speed now, but it's too late now. The train's already nearing its end, I believe. I think, I don't know. Yep, here comes the end of the train finally. Yep, there we go. There's the end of the train finally. And with that monster of a train, we now have finished 105. And that concludes this video, and that was ridiculously long and slow. This has been Train Lover 123 out, and yep, enjoy the waterfall right here, the little fountain, the sailfish statue fountain.